Ready to snag that killer Fashion Nova outfit without breaking the bank right now? Let's dive into how to use Afterpay to make your fashion dreams a reality. First, head over to fashionable.com, either on your computer or your phone using their app. Browse their amazing selection and add all those must-have items to your shopping cart. Once you've filled your cart with all your favorite pieces, click on the shopping cart icon to review your selections and make sure you haven't missed anything. Now, proceed to checkout. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see the payment options. Locate the Afterpay logo. It's usually displayed clearly with the Afterpay name. Select Afterpay as your payment method. You'll then be redirected to the Afterpay website or app to log in or create an account if you're a new user. Follow the prompts to complete your Afterpay purchase. Afterpay will break down your total into 4 equal installments. Due every 2 weeks. You'll need to make your first payment at the time of purchase. Make sure you understand the payment schedule and that you have sufficient funds available in your account to avoid any late fees. Afterpay will send you reminders before each payment is due. And that's it. You've successfully used Afterpay to shop at Fashion Nova. Now you can rock your new look and spread out the payments. Happy shopping!